Today I'm gonna show you how to make a ringtone. It's very easiest way. This requires shortcut apps, GarageBand and file apps. First, you need to find a song. Use the screen record for this song. As a result, end up here. Now just press share, and this to file apps. You can choose anywhere. And we go back to the file apps. As you can see, this is the current MP4 player we just exported. You can play as usual. Right now we go to the shortcut apps. You see this, I already created the shortcut apps. Open. I will share the link down the description so you guys can follow. Then I try to convert it. Ask me to select the file. I just select the MP4. I just ask me to save that location. Save. Then I go back. I check. The file has to be M4A. Because of this, M4A is only allowed support by the GarageBand. Now we open the GarageBand, tap this, and you can need to check over here. Check the brick. Okay, now you open this circle. We choose the file apps and then browse item. Then you go back to the location you saved. Okay, now you have already converted to the M4A file format. Okay, now you get, just drag. Okay, this is your desired file. And trim or split any clips you want. You can just erase, delete, and extend. Then eventually you're done with this. Just click this down cursor, my song, saving. So your current file will be exported here. Long press share, ringtone. Is it will renew a ringtone file. Okay, you can make it later. Check. Okay. So this is your song 5.